back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Frankie Rai, and today I'm going to take you along with me to go to Disneyland. I am an annual pass holder at Disneyland, and me and my mom love to go early in the morning just for a couple hours and get our steps in and then just enjoy the scenery and just have so much fun. So I thought I should bring you guys along and you guys enjoy the day with me. It's almost 8 in the morning and we're about to go. We're gonna start off at California Adventure and then hop on over to Disneyland and just enjoy the scenery. I'm not gonna ride too many rides. I'm just gonna walk and enjoy, maybe do a little shopping. You never know. We feel so accomplished when we go early in the morning because it's like an early start to our day with the happiest place on the earth, you know, Disneyland. I've been there so many times, I can't even count on my hands, and I'm so grateful to have an annual pass to just go whenever their access calendar allows us to go. That calendar is so annoying. Sometimes the block off dates don't work with our schedule, so then we go a couple weeks without Disney, which is so sad. We love to go like every other week. That's our jam. So yeah, we're on our way. We're in downtown Disney. Okay, I'm off to go to Radiator Springs and do a single rider. Okay, so I'm done with cars and now we're gonna walk around.
How does that feel for you? Good. You want to like move it around up and down? Is that too loose, too tight? Perfect.
Okay, so I just got a permanent bracelet. This is my second permanent bracelet. My other one fell off, and now we're just walking around. Just walking around and enjoying the scenery.
Grab a piece of paper, move down as far as you can. That drawing is worth 50 cents on eBay. Pretty good, huh?
Okay, so we finished at California Adventure and now we're gonna go downtown. The lines for Disneyland are so long, so we're gonna skip out on that today, but now we're just gonna hang out downtown. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and check me out on my other social medias, FrankieRai.J on Instagram, and then FrankieRai.J on TikTok, and then of course on YouTube. Bye!